Hey guys, welcome back to Running with Curls. I'm Christina, and today we are going to do a naked curl refresh. So first I'm going to take down my curls slept in a pineapple using my silk scrunchie, and these are day 3 naked curls. So in all honesty, they're not looking that bad. I'm pretty pleased with them. Over here, definitely needing some help. Still have some pretty good definition, but because I sleep on my back, the back of my head is a little flat. So I'm definitely gonna need to refresh there. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to add water. So I'm literally just going to continual spray. I want my hair to be damp. So not soaking wet, but wet enough that when I dry it, it's actually gonna do something. So just going to wet this down. I'm gonna finish doing that and then I'll show you guys the next step. Okay, so I have wet down my hair. You can see it's dripping a little bit. So I'm gonna take my microfiber towel and just kind of soak up any like drips because I don't want my hair soaking wet. I just want it damp. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use the same leave-in conditioner that I used on wash day, which for me is the Curls Blueberry Bliss. So this is the one I used. You do not need to use as much as you used on wash day. This is all that I am putting in. So just going to rub that around in my hands and then literally just scrunch it into my curls. If you have curls that are super prone to frizz, then I would recommend using a leave-in that you can spray, because the more you touch your curls, the frizzier they're going to get. So mine don't frizz too bad, but if that was something that I was concerned with, you can see I have a little bit of frizz going on over here. But if that was something I was concerned with, I would use a spray leave-in. So that's just something to think about. Once I put my leave-in in, you could air dry if that's what you prefer to do. I'm going to diffuse and then I'm going to show you guys the finished results. So I finished drying with a naked refresh. There's no crunch to scrunch out. So I am literally ready to go. From start to finish in real time, that took me maybe 15 minutes, including the diffusing time. So my naked refresh is super quick. My curls look great. I'm ready to go. This is also a refresh you can use if you do have product. I love refreshing with just water and a little bit of leave-in. So super pleased with my results, and drop a comment. Let me know if you try this, if it works for you, what you think. Also make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you guys have an amazing day and check out our next post at Running with Curls.